Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by turning the machine off and unplugging it to work safely, then remove the presser foot and needle so you have clear access. Next, lift the bobbin cover and take the spool and bobbin out while noting the thread path. This prevents mistakes when rethreading. Once done, brush lint from feed dogs and tension discs because debris causes thread breaks. Make sure to use the correct thread weight for the project and set aside a small screwdriver for later plate removal. You now inspect the needle closely. A bent or burr-marked needle will cause shredding, so replace it immediately. Then rethread the top thread precisely. Guide from the spool pin into the tension discs, through the Take-Up lever, down the guides, and finally through the needle eye front to back. This sequence controls tension and stitch formation. Once done, place the bobbin into its case with the thread feeding in the correct direction and pull the bobbin. You finish by lowering the presser foot, holding both top and bobbin threads, and hand-turning the wheel 2 to 3 stitches so you can watch loop formation and confirm proper engagement. If you see loops on the top or puckering, adjust top tension a quarter turn at a time and retest on scrap fabric, because small changes matter. If problems persist, clean the shuttle race, reseat the bobbin case, and swap in a fresh needle. This usually resolves hidden jams or tension issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.